Namaskaram everyone. Hope you all are doing great and having a beautiful time every moment of your life. Myself Nima, one of the Isha meditator and a volunteer. So today I'm here to talk about our geniusity in ourselves. Yes, we all are genius and we have a certain kind of geniusity in ourselves. Definitely we are genius. Only that we are not aware about it, that how genius we are and what kind of geniusity we are holding in ourselves. We are so busy in our lives that we are just racing through it. We are racing every moment in this life and we are just forgetting our own self in such a way that we don't know so many things about ourselves. We have a lot of things in ourselves, especially the young generation. I always like to tell all the young generation people that you all guys have a lot of potential in yourself and you can do a lot of wonders in this world. So today I would like to share my own experience about this thing, and I recently discovered that I also have a certain kind of a skill, and that's very beautiful. I got to know. Okay, first have a look and then we will talk about it. So guys, this is what I have discovered in myself, that I love fine arts. Yes, I love fine arts and I really didn't know about it. But at this stage of my life, I got to know about it. So I remember that in my childhood, I used to do a lot of artwork, a lot of things I used to design and do the painting work a lot. But probably I got so busy in the race of life that I forgot about my own self. Yes, I got busy with making career and looking for the job and then so many things that I totally forgot my own self. So through the practices, when I have got conscious about my own self, when I came closer to my own inner self, I got to know, oh, I can do this. I would love to do that. So this is what I have explored through the practices, and I really would like to say you all guys that you also have talent in yourself. You don't need to get disappointed or depressed if you cannot do something. Yes, you have a certain kind of geniusity in yourself, that's very true. Only that you are not aware about it, only that you are not conscious about it. You need to explore your own skill, your own talent, your own geniusity. And then once you got to know and you throw the life into it, you will do the wonders. So it's better that we pay attention and we become conscious about our own self through the Isha practices, through the Inner Engineering program. Guys, I would like to say that I'm not promoting Inner Engineering program. I'm just telling you that this is what happens with all of us who are doing the Inner Engineering program, that we start to live a better life and we start to explore our own inner self, our own skills, and we live a beautiful and joyful life. So guys, I hope I am able to inspire you. And if you already have got to know about your talent or your skill or your artwork, please share it with me. It would be really lovely to have some inspirations from you guys also. And if you like this video, please like and write some comments, share your experiences. It will give me more inspirations. Thank you. I would like to see you soon again. Until then, Namaskar.